Arithmetic progression, exercise 5.2, problem 18. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. The sum of the 6th and 10th terms of 10th terms is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. Sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. Okay, that means see the solution. Sum of what is given? Sum of 4th and 8th terms is 24. So sum of 4th and 8th terms is nothing but A4 plus A8 equals to 24. A4 plus A8 equals to 24. And one more condition is there. Okay. Sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. Sum of 6th and 10th terms. 10th terms is 44. 6th means what? A6. 10th means A10 equals to 44. This is the given condition. Now first find the values of first three terms. So A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. Plus A8 is A plus 7D equals to 24. Okay, now A plus A is 2A plus 3D plus 7D is 10D equals to 24. Okay, this is say 1. Here A6 is nothing but A plus 5D. A plus 5D. A10 means A plus 9D equals to 44. Okay. Now A plus A is 2A. 5D plus 9D is 14D equals to 44. Say it is 2. Okay. Subtract 1 from 2. So what is 2? 2A plus 14D equals to 44. What is 1? 2A plus 10D equals to 24. Subtract means change the signs. So 2A into 2A cancel. 14D minus 10D is 4D. 44 minus 24 is 20. So D equals to 20 over 4. That means 5. So 4 how many times? 5 times. Substitute D equals to 5 in 1 or 2. Your wish. In 1. What is 1? 2A plus 10D equals to 24. So 2A plus 10D value 5 equals to 24. Okay. So 2A plus 50. 10 5 is 50 equals to 24. Okay. Next. So 2A equals to 50 transpose to right side 24 minus 50. 24 minus 50, that is 2A equals to negative 26. So A equals to negative 26 by 2, that is 13. So A equals to minus 13. Now first find the first three terms. So first term. What is first term? First term A1 equals to how much? A1 equals to A. How much that is? Negative 13. Okay. Second term. A2 equals to the formula is A plus D. A plus D. A value minus 13 plus D value 5. Minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Next, third term A3 equals to formula A plus 2D. So A is minus 13 plus 2, D value 5. So minus 13 plus 2 5 is 10. Minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3.